Hello. Today I wanted to share with you the fantastic news. We have just released a new feature that can help you monetize your email, paid newsletters. This is an additional option to make money with Elastic Email and send your emails only to users who have paid the subscription fee and are on your special list. In this guide, you will see step-by-step how to create paid newsletters and discover the advantages of this feature. Currently, this feature is reserved for the Email Marketing Pro plan and the Creator Suite. In the free versions of these products, or in the Email Marketing Starter plan, you can test it out, but you can't publish the final product pages or earn money. See the pricing for the mentioned plans here. To access paid newsletters, simply navigate to this section in the menu. It's a new item there. In the main view, you can find all previously created newsletters. You can search them by name or filter them by status. By clicking on the Draft tab, you'll see all unfinished newsletters, but for now, let's focus on creating a new one by clicking here. The Creator is quite similar to our Checkouts feature, but with one additional step. To learn how to sell digital products and see the checkout setup process, watch this video. Okay, now let's shift our full focus to paid newsletters. Start by choosing a unique name and setting the price and currency. Currently, there are 7 different currencies to choose from. You can also decide how often users will be charged for your service, monthly, quarterly, or yearly, until they cancel their subscription or you delete the product. To clarify, based on this setting, users will be billed on a recurring basis for your premium newsletter subscription. They can pay monthly, quarterly, or annually. However, it's up to you and your agreement with the clients to determine how many newsletters and how often they will be sent as part of the subscription fee. The second step is all about design. Choose one of our pre-made templates and customize it to fit your needs. Since the release of this feature, you can find several attractive, ready-to-edit templates in our gallery. Moreover, we promise to regularly add new ones. You'll need to design 2 separate pages, the product page and the confirmation page. The product page is where you promote your subscription service, while the confirmation page appears after a user completes their purchase. To customize your designs, use our block-based landing page creator and add or edit blocks as needed. There are 9 available blocks: heading, paragraph, list, image, video, button, spacer, divider, and social. Learn more about our landing page creator in this video. On the product page, there are a few helpful merge fields that can be used: the paid newsletter name, subscription price, terms link, and a button. The button is automatically connected to Stripe payments and can't be deleted. Learn how our merge fields and custom fields work here. You can check your design progress at any time by clicking the Preview button. It works similarly for the confirmation section. Here, you can add an additional form block if you want to collect more information from your client after the purchase, or have them sign up for other email lists. There are 2 merge fields: the Paid Newsletter Customer Portal and the Paid Newsletter Terms URL that might be helpful for your customer but aren't mandatory. The Customer Portal is a website hosted by Stripe where purchasers can view the details of their subscription or cancel it at any time. The terms can be set up in your profile settings. It's important to complete this section because in e-commerce, customers must know who they are buying from and the terms that apply to their purchase. Now, going back to the confirmation page, after you've completed it and added all the blocks you planned, click Continue to move on. Then, depending on your previous action, you need to set up either a unique subdomain reserved exclusively for your account or just a specific product page link. Setting up the subdomain is simple, and you can change it anytime in your profile settings if you change your mind. You can create as many unique pages as you need using the same subdomain. The Social Share Preview allows you to customize how your link looks on social media, including the image, title, and description to make it appealing to your target group. In the post-purchase settings, you can customize the transactional email, not only its design, to keep it cohesive with other elements of your brand or paid newsletters, but also the sender's name, email address, and specific subject line. It doesn't have to be boring. Users who have paid for your newsletters will be added to a specific list corresponding to the name of your paid newsletter. This is the list you should use to send those premium mailings you offered. If a user stops paying, they will immediately disappear from it, so you don't need to worry about your premium newsletter reaching someone who isn't subscribed. The last step is to set up the transactional email for users who have canceled their subscription via the customer portal, or you unsubscribe button included in Newsletters L. We hope there won't be many, but the template and this option need to be ready. You can also provide an option to reactivate the subscription if you believe some users might change their minds at this point. And here you go. To publish your paid newsletter, you will need to connect your account to Stripe. Integrating Stripe is necessary to start earning from paid newsletters. Create your account here by entering your email address and password. Set up the two-step authentication of your choice to make sure your Stripe account is secure. Provide information about your business type, along with your personal or legal details, as well as your bank account information and any details your customers may need. Once everything is complete, agree to the terms and submit to return to the Elastic email app. You can also set up your Stripe account before creating your paid newsletter. Go to the Account section, and in your profile, you'll find your payment settings and the option to connect with Stripe. If everything is set and ready, you can publish your paid newsletter. You can immediately preview how the published purchase page looks and copy the link if you want to use it in your socials or email campaigns immediately. Once created paid newsletters, you can edit, copy their links, delete them, or send campaigns to the purchasers of a specific service. As the provider of a specific premium content, it's your responsibility to deliver emails as agreed. If subscribers expect a monthly newsletter, make sure to send it consistently. If you decide to click here, you will be automatically transferred to our creator with the correct list already selected. However, you can also do this manually in our campaign creator by simply choosing the correct list. Lists of paid newsletter subscribers are marked with this icon. Check how our campaign creator works here. That's all we wanted to share with you. Now you should be ready to earn money from your content. We hope paid newsletters will be a hit among content creators, small businesses, and industry experts. Let us know in the comments what you think about our new feature. Have a great day!